Welcome to my Vitamix 7500 review. If you're looking for a top-notch blender that can handle just about anything, the Vitamix 7500 might be your new kitchen bestie. This powerhouse appliance is designed to tackle a wide range of culinary tasks with ease, but it doesn't come cheap. You'll love the variable speed control feature because with 10 different speeds at your fingertips, you can fine-tune your blends to perfection. Whether you're whipping up silky smoothies or chunky salsas, you've got the precision to nail the texture every time. Plus, the Pulse feature lets you layer coarse chunks over smooth purees for more complex recipes. The low-profile 64-ounce container is a game changer because it's big enough to whip up family-sized meals or entertain guests, but still fits snugly under most kitchen cabinets. No more awkward storage struggles. Durability is key, and the Vitamix 7500 doesn't disappoint. The hardened stainless steel blades are aircraft grade, designed to power through the toughest ingredients without losing their edge. From your first blend to your 1000th, you'll get consistent, high-quality results. Cleanup is a breeze too. Just add a drop of dish soap and some warm water, crank it up to high speed, and watch as it cleans itself in under a minute. No need to disassemble or scrub, it's that easy. You'll love the flexibility of 10 different speed settings because whether you're whipping up a silky smoothie or chunky salsa, you can fine-tune the texture to your heart's content. This level of control lets you experiment with various recipes and achieve professional quality results. Sometimes you want a bit of chunk in your blend. The Pulse feature gives you that extra control to create layered textures. It's perfect for making chunky salsas or hearty soups where you want to keep some ingredients intact while blending others smoothly. The spacious 64-ounce container is a game changer because it can fit large batches of your favorite ingredients without taking up too much counter space. Tough ingredients are no match for this blender's aircraft-grade stainless steel blades, which can handle everything from frozen fruits to tough vegetables with ease. You'll find the Vitamix 7500 a breeze to operate. Its intuitive control panel features a simple speed dial and pulse switch, letting you easily adjust blending intensity. Also, the low-profile container slides effortlessly under most kitchen cabinets, saving valuable counter space. Cleaning is a snap too. Just blend warm water and a drop of dish soap for a quick self-cleaning action. The wide base makes it easy to scoop out thick mixtures like nut butters. And with its powerful motor, you won't need to stop and scrape down the sides constantly. Plus, the clear container lets you monitor blending progress without interrupting. Overall, this Vitamix model prioritizes user-friendly design for hassle-free blending. This powerhouse blender is your ticket to culinary creativity. With 10 variable speeds, you can fine-tune textures to perfection. Whip up silky smoothies, chunky salsas, or hearty soups with ease. Similarly, the Pulse feature lets you layer coarse chunks over smooth purees, giving you control over the final consistency. The 64-ounce container is a game changer for family meals and entertaining. It's large enough to handle big batches, yet still fits under most kitchen cabinets. You'll also love how the hardened stainless steel blades tackle tough ingredients without breaking a sweat, meaning you never have to worry about whether your Vitamix 7500 can handle certain ingredients. Now, let's take a look at the pros and cons. The 7500's variable speed control is a game changer. You've got 10 speeds to play with, letting you fine-tune textures from silky smoothies to chunky salsas. The 64-ounce container is a real crowd pleaser. It's low profile, so it'll slide under most kitchen cabinets without a fuss, and you can whip up family-sized batches or prep for parties without breaking a sweat. Durability is a big plus here too. The hardened stainless steel blades are aircraft grade, designed to tackle tough ingredients day in, day out. You won't need to baby this machine. Cleanup's a breeze. A drop of soap, warm water, and 60 seconds later, you're done. No need to disassemble or scrub, the blender does the work for you. As for the cons, the price tag might make you wince. It's definitely an investment piece, so you'll need to consider how often you'll use it. Noise levels can be high. While it's powerful, it's not exactly quiet. Early morning smoothies might wake up the household. It's a bit hefty. The power comes with weight, so if you're planning to move it around often, keep that in mind. There's a learning curve. With all those speeds and features, it might take some time to master your blending technique. You'll find plenty of love for this blender in the Vitamix. 7,500 reviews from customers. Users rave about its power and durability, with many saying it's the best blender they've owned. The 64-ounce low-profile container gets praise for fitting under kitchen cabinets easily. Smoothie enthusiasts adore how it pulverizes tough ingredients like ginger and leafy greens. Some users mention it's a bit loud, but most feel the performance is worth it. The long-lasting motor and strong warranty are big selling points. Overall, customers seem thrilled with their purchase and use it daily for years. As I noted in my Vitamix 7,500 review, this blender stands out as a powerhouse in the kitchen. You'll appreciate its robust motor that pulverizes even the toughest ingredients with ease. The low-profile container fits neatly under most cabinets, making storage a breeze. While it's not dishwasher safe, the self-cleaning feature compensates for this minor inconvenience. Plus, its durability means you're investing in a blender that'll likely serve you for years to come. And the versatility to handle hot and cold ingredients expands your culinary possibilities. Despite the higher price point, the Vitamix 7500's performance and longevity make it a worthwhile investment for your kitchen arsenal.